Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I would like to share about
How to start working out. Get moving with simple steps. Ready to jump into fitness? Starting a workout routine doesn't have to be intense. Small steps lead to big results. Begin with something easy, like brisk walking or light stretching to get your body used to movement. Then try adding short workouts with basic exercises like squats, lunges, or push-ups. Consistency is key, so aim for a few minutes every day and build up from there. Find a fun workout that excites you, like dancing, yoga, or even a sport. When you enjoy it, staying active is way easier. Remember, starting small is totally okay. Just keep moving and watch your progress grow.
Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more health tips